Photosynthesis is a process. In that process, green plant prepare their own food material. In the process of photosynthesis, plant absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere and absorb water, absorb water from soil. And in the presence of sunlight energy, convert that carbon dioxide into. Now we discuss about the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a very normal process which is takes place in all types of green plant. Due to the process of photosynthesis, plant prepare their own food material. In the photosynthesis process, plant absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere, absorb water and mineral from soil. Okay, and in presence of sunlight, there is a reaction of photosynthesis. Due to this reaction, plant prepare their own food material in the form of sugar, and that sugar is act as a food material. And the leaves take in carbon dioxide from air and release oxygen as a byproduct. The plant draws up water and mineral from the ground through roots. This is a photosynthesis process, and this photosynthesis process is very essential for all types of green plants. It is a very essential process. Thank you.